Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the Volvo XC90 on a 67 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it. From the outside, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off inside its boot space. First, the tailgate on this car will open electronically. You can either open it using the button on the key or from the tailgate itself. As we approach the back of the car, you'll then see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well. At the moment, you can see it's in its 5-seat configuration. You can fold those rear 2 seats up to give you 7 seats should you wish to. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in. And as I mentioned, we'll run through some of the controls on the inside of it from there. Now that we've done a full circle though, firstly, you can see the alloy wheels are in pristine condition, as is the bodywork the entire way around the vehicle. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials first of all. On that left-hand side, we have the speedometer. We have a digital readout for the speedometer and the total miles for the car. They are 70,483. Over on the right-hand side, the rev counter. Within that, it will show you what gear the car is in. It's an automatic. We're in park at the moment, of course. And below that, the fuel gauge for the vehicle. You can change the information displayed in this section using the buttons on the steering wheel just here. We have our cruise control on the left hand side, and then into the center, the main touch screen. So all touch screen apart from one physical button, which will bring you back to the menu that we are currently looking at here. You can swipe to the right and also to the left for certain menus. For example, you can see just there Apple CarPlay and Android Auto available. Your audio options at the top here, AM, FM and DAB radio. What you can do from the main section just here is tap on any one of these boxes. So for example, to open up your satellite navigation just here. Similarly, your main audio menu, your telephone menu, and then at the moment you've got vehicle fuel consumption there. There's lots of different menus you can have there, various notifications for example. And then at the very bottom, our climate control. You can determine the direction the air is being distributed in, the fan speed, the temperature, which you can either set in Celsius or Fahrenheit. It is set, as you can see, in Fahrenheit currently. And you can shut that back down. So passenger and driver temperature, fan speed, direction of the air. And then we've also got seat options. And for the driving side or the driver's side, a steering wheel option as well. So heated steering wheel with 3 different heat settings, heated seat, with, again, 3 different heat settings, and an air-conditioned seat with 3 different settings. And on the passenger side, just, of course, the seat options, both air-conditioned and heated. If I pop the vehicle into reverse, you'll see we have a 360 parking camera. So a bird's eye view of image of exactly where the car is currently parked. What you can do is then tap on any one of those cameras to open up. In this case, for example, of course, the reverse camera, the forward-facing camera, back again to your 360 camera. So very easy to park with that camera. Main volume for your stereo and physical controls for the stereo. We have some storage, 12-volt charging socket, plenty of storage through the middle, including these cup holders. We've got an electronic handbrake with an auto hold function. You can change the driving setup of the car. This is where you switch the ignition off, which is what I've just done, and back on again, and then the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. The last thing I wanted to mention is the panoramic glass roof. So first of all, there is a sunblind you can open up all the way to the back of those seats. And as you can see, that lets in a huge amount of extra light to this cabin area. But if you wish to, you can also open the front section as a full-size sliding sunroof as well. Last thing I wanted to talk about is the paperwork we have for the car. So in the envelope here, firstly, is the spare keys. We have 2 keys in total. The V5 registration document is there, as you can see, showing it's a 2-owner car from you. And then the service book, so pre-delivery inspection done in 2017. And then we have services in 2018, 2020 again, 2022, 23, 24. And then next one will go obviously over the page just here. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you.